1, 2, 3. Ella's trying to flip. So.
Ella! Hold her straight up so I can see her.
1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa!
1, 2, 3.
What's she doing? What's she doing?
Chicka chicka bang bang.
Look at that tongue sticking out.
She's putting her head on me.
Do it again. Do it again.
She's getting tired. She's trying to reach your bottle. Hey, I get your bottle for you, buddy.
Do it one more time. Woo!
Yeah.
You want your turn, Lily? She wants her turn, Dada.
Okay. Come here, Lily.
Hello. Woo! Are you drunk? What's in that bottle?
It's a White Russian.
What's in that baba?
Is that a White Russian? Is there Kahlua in the bottle?
What's in that baba, Ella? What happened? Someone's cranky. She is very, yes. She's probably going to cry when you grab Leah.
Leah, come here.
She wants her time with Dada.
That milk falling over your face, right?
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow!
Someone's jealous. Whoa!
What's wrong?
Jealous much?
What's wrong?
Here.
You gotta share me, Bubba.
Watch your hands. You want to help them with that, Daddy?
I got this for you.
Here, I'll help her and you videotape.
Sure.
Here's Miss Ella's being a little cranky pants.
Right, Ella Lynn?
Yay!
Mama broke her toe.
Ouch.
Making meat sauce. Look at that. Not a good idea if they just ate and drank milk.
Uh-oh.
My girl, professional bull rider. Ella?
You hear her?
Yeah. What is that?
If you turn it so she can see herself, she likes it.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
That's me, she's saying.
Is that you? That's Ella. She sticks her tongue out.
Watch it. That's Leah. Woo! Someone's getting busy.
This is Ella getting tired.
Wow.
Ella.
You came off. Wanna go back on? Yeah? What are you doing? You're being brave now? Look at this.
Riding side saddle. Look at that. She's gonna be a stunt rider.
Whoa!
Look at that.
Yeah, you got your foot down though. Mommy's not comfortable with that.
Go full 8 seconds, just like
Here, look
professionals.
at this, because Ella is gonna be mean and push her sister off soon. Miss Ella is a troublemaker, even though she's tiny. Yay! Don't push your sister off. Baby, you go next, okay? You go next. Oh, you getting off?
Woo! It's like a merry-go-round. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Feet almost touch the ground
Get
now.
off now.
So Miss Ella dramatic.
Can your sister go on now, Miss Phoebe?
Daisy.
Say shush.